Look out what I'm going to show you. So this is link grabber extension that allows you to extract links in 1-2 clicks from any page. Check out. For example, I go to Google and search for viral posts. I don't know what is it, on Facebook. And instead of scrolling and manually copying all the links, I can press Ctrl Drag and find all links and check the links I don't need, or I can select links manually, then copy, open in tabs, bookmark, export, or for example review. By clicking review, it stores all the links in your private local database of links where you can also copy them, expand and do whatever you want. It has also very powerful features like grab all from this page, grab all links from multiple pages. Let's imagine that you opened another page with ton of links. You browse the internet, you open different links, and one time you realize that you want to copy all the links at one batch from this window. You filter out some not needed pages, okay, and you can grab all. You can also select from all the windows. For example, I have several windows with different links. I can also select links from there. So very powerful extension. 100% recommend to everyone.